all of you, class 9th student everyone. Okay student, how's gone your summer vacations? Okay, I think nice. And okay student, now the class will be started from the 22. Okay, so each and every student submit the holiday homework in the group. Okay, now let's we discuss the breakup syllabus. Okay, so student, for the UT1, that is the chapter number 1, introduction to ITS and industries. Okay, now chapter number 2, basically data entry and keyboard skills. Okay, this is up for UT1. Okay student, now for the half yearly, that is the chapter number 3, basic ICT skills, and chapter number 4, digital documentation and chapter number 5, electronic spreadsheet. Okay, now student, for the unit 2 test 2 or UT2. Okay, the chapter number 6, that is digital presentation, or chapter number 7, that is communication skills. Okay, okay student, if any changes in your books, then it will be changed. Okay, so let's we start the chapter number 4, that is electronic spreadsheet. Okay, now basically what is spreadsheet student? Okay, so basically spreadsheet is a simple, you can say it is a tool, okay, which is used to perform the all kinds of calculation very easily and accurately. Okay, now you can say also spreadsheet is a long sheet of the rows and column of the computer. Okay, for data analyzing and calculation. Okay, so simple, it is a managing financial and accounting, documentation, creating data reports, generating invoices, data analysis from scientific and statistical researches. Okay, it is a variety of the calculation on the data also. Okay, now a spreadsheet software can also store and manipulating graphical representation of the data also student. Okay, so basically spreadsheet, it is a package, okay, that are widely used for data analyzing and accounting application. Simple, you can say. Okay, now spreadsheet also a concept of a workbook. Okay student, now simple, it is a application, or you can say it is a LibreOffice Calc. Okay, so LibreOffice Calc is used to perform the following activities student. Okay, means tabulation of the data, simple mathematical calculations, complex calculations using formulas and functions, arranging data in ascending and descending orders. Okay, simple, you can say sorting. Next is the filtering, means large amount of data, you can filter the data according to you. Okay student, now next is a check the variety of the data. Next is the protection of the data using password, and next is the saving for future use. Okay student, now this is the basically activities which will be performed by the LibreOffice Calc. Okay, now student, getting started with the LibreOffice Calc. Okay, basically it is a spreadsheet application suite. Okay, so LibreOffice Calc is a what? It is a basically operating system, means Ubuntu. Okay, when you install the Ubuntu, it will be default, it will be installed. Okay, Writer, Calc, Impress, etc. Okay student, now to start the LibreOffice Calc in Windows. Okay, so student, if you find the shortcut of the LibreOffice on the desktop, then you can double click on that particular LibreOffice. Okay, so click on the window menu, you can select the applications. Okay, so you can do the work. Okay, now second, to start the LibreOffice in Linux. Okay, in Ubuntu Linux, find Calc icon in the applications. Okay, so you can click on that particular icon. Okay, now basically it is a parts of the LibreOffice Calc. Okay, like quick access toolbar, title bar, okay, status bar. Okay student, sheet tab, etc. Okay, so let's discuss or see one by one. Okay student, now title bar. Title bar is a what? Okay student, so title bar is what? Basically it is located on the top of the okay, and basically it is a newly created. Okay, and if you want to save this file, then it will be saved by the name, otherwise it will be saved as a untitled X. Okay, now menu bar is what? It is located just below the title bar student. Okay, means every menu bar, simple, each item will be shown there. Okay, okay student, next is a file. Okay, what is a file? Basically it is the apply for the entire document. Okay, means open, save, okay, PDF, digital signature, etc. Next is the edit. Okay, with the help of edit you can do undo, cut, copy, paste, etc. Okay, now view. With the help of view command you can modify the data. Okay, or simple toolbar, columns, row, header, full screen, zoom, etc. Okay, now after that insert. Okay, insert means what? Simple, you can with the help of this command you can insert images, chart, object, shape, etc. Okay, now similarly format command. Format command is what? It is used for modifying the layout of the spreadsheet. Okay, means cell, rows, columns, styles, etc. Okay, now student, next is the styles. Styles is what? It is a used for managing styles. Many types of styles you can give to the spreadsheets. Okay, now next is a sheet. Sheet is what? You can, yes, you can by default you can insert a sheet 3. If you want to insert a sheet, that you can insert a sheet, delete a sheet, rows and columns. Okay, rename the sheet, fill cell, etc. Okay, now next, data contains command. What is data contains command? Yes student, with the help of data contains you can give the defined range of that particular data. Okay, now next is your tool. Tool is what? It is a various function to check and customize a spreadsheet. Okay, spelling, languages, gallery, macros, etc. Okay, next is your windows. Windows is what? Basically it is a use for yes, display new windows type, similar different types of windows you can see. Okay, or you can say split windows also. Now next is a help. Help is what? Yes student, if you feel any problem regarding software, then you can see with the help of help buttons. Okay, now student, this is the worksheet. Okay, if you feel any problem, then you can discuss me. Okay, thank you.